lot of beauty products out there claim to offer quick and easy transformations, but how many actually deliver on those claims? In this video, I'll be trying a few beauty products that are supposed to make a big difference in a small amount of time to see if they live up to the expectations. This video is sponsored by ARC and we'll be putting one of their products to the test as well. We're gonna get straight into it, but first, if you're new here, hi, my name is Miranda. Welcome to my channel where we talk all things budget beauty. If that sounds interesting to you, then become the newest member of the Slashed Squad by hitting subscribe and the bell icon. Starting off with our first product, a little bit of background first. Recently, my nails have been in really rough shape. I'm talking peeling, cracking, very thin and weak. Even when keeping nail polish on them consistently, I couldn't stop them from breaking every day. I wanted to find something at the drugstore that could help nurse them back to health, so after a lot of searching, I stumbled upon the Hansen Miracle Cure Strengthener. The official claims for this on the packaging is that it's supposed to make your nails 50% stronger in just 3 days. It's meant for severely dry and brittle nails. It fills in the cracks to stop peeling, while antioxidants and proteins help strengthen the nail. So here's what my nails look like day one. Yeah, pretty dang awful. Not to mention my cuticles, which are horrid. I'm gonna try to moisturize those heavily over the next few days as well. But as you can see, the tips are all jagged from breaks. I've got peeling going up through the middle of my nail bed. And overall, they're just looking really dry and desperate. So as a first step, I'm just gonna cut them down pretty short to get rid of those awful tips. And then I'll start applying the Miracle Cure. So the directions say to apply one thin coat to each nail, and the formula is on the thicker side, so I'm careful to wipe off any excess from the brush back into the bottle. It dries pretty quickly and it definitely makes my nails look instantly healthier, and they do feel stronger with it applied. But I was more interested in the long-term effects and how my bare nails would feel after treating them with the Miracle Cure. So I left this on my nails for 3 days to work its magic. It's been 4 days since I applied the Hansen Miracle Cure, and at this point I can see the clear coat flaking up around the edges, so I'm gonna take it off so we can see what my nails look like underneath. Here's where my nails are at now. They feel so much stronger. They're not as flimsy, they're not as paper thin. Before I started using this, if I just knocked my nail against something, it would like dent and immediately rip or break. So there's 100% a noticeable improvement in the thickness and strength. My cuticles are still busted. I need to work on those. And lengthwise, I don't think they've grown a ton in the past 4 days, but my main concern was how easily they were breaking and peeling, and that seems like it's already being addressed pretty well. So I am definitely seeing an improvement for sure. But my plan now is to reapply this, wear it for another 3 days, and see if we can get even more drastic results with the even week. I'll update you then. So now it's been a full week of treating my nails with the Hansen Miracle Cure, and yeah, it worked a miracle. My nails just feel normal again. It's been forever since I could go a full day without breaking a nail, even with nail polish on. And with this applied, I did not experience that at all. Also, when I remove this and see what my nails look like underneath, there isn't any more peeling. They're just looking very smooth and healthy. And I also got a decent amount of growth in this past week. I'm not sure if it was any faster than my typical nail growth, but I cut them down pretty short at the beginning of the week, and now they're almost to the point, actually a few of them are, where I can see them past my fingertips. So with the Hansen Miracle Cure, I did see results within the claim of 3 days, but I saw even better results after a week. And yes, this quick fix is legit. Next, we're gonna be testing the product from today's sponsor. This is an at-home teeth whitening kit. It is the ARC Whitening Tray. This is brand new at Target for $39.99. This kit uses enamel-safe ingredients that are clinically proven to whiten your teeth. They want you to feel confident without all the extra effort and non-working ingredients. This is supposed to help erase surface stains while also preventing new ones, but what really caught my eye about this teeth whitening kit is that you only have to use it for 10 minutes a day for at least a week to start seeing results. I love that this is a super quick treatment every day because I tend to do stuff like this either as part of my morning routine when I'm getting ready or right before bed, and I don't want to be sitting around waiting with something in my mouth for like 30 minutes to an hour. All right, day one of using the ARC Whitening Tray. I'm very excited because I have spent all winter drinking coffee in the morning and tea at night. Now I know sometimes it's hard to tell on camera like what color my teeth are, but I'm gonna insert a photo of me wearing a warm lipstick that I think really accentuates the true color of my teeth, which is slightly yellow recently, I'm not gonna lie. So let's just go ahead and open this up. First of all, love the packaging. Ooh, okay, so we have a storage case to keep the tray clean. And here is what the tray looks like. It doesn't seem too big, so I'm hoping that it'll be comfortable. And here is the teeth whitening tray gel. I'm actually pretty impressed with the size of this tube. Definitely getting your money's worth because it doesn't seem like we're actually going to need a lot of the gel per use. So it says 3 simple steps to a brighter smile. Use once a day for 10 minutes. I love that this is so quick and easy. So the first step is to apply the gel onto the tray, 4 dots each side. And there is a diagram on how to place the dots. It looks like they're mostly gonna go in the front, which makes sense because that's what you see. So you can kind of see I've done the 4 on both sides. So now I just go ahead and put this in my mouth for 10 minutes and then we'll take it out. All right, I just spit and rinsed both my mouth and the tray. Now, as I spit, I could kind of taste the gel a little bit more, and it sort of just tastes like toothpaste. It's slightly minty, and I'm happy to report that I'm not feeling any sensitivity. I will keep you updated on that throughout the week. My teeth just sort of feel fresh and clean. So I repeated this process every day for a week, either in my morning routine or my nighttime routine. It was really easy to fit into my day, and I did not experience any teeth sensitivity, which was great. The tray is also really comfortable. I'm able to close my mouth without any issues, no drooling. This has definitely been the easiest at-home teeth whitening method I've tried, and I have tried a few. It's been a week now using the Arc teeth whitening tray every day for 10 minutes. I will just let the results speak for themselves. I think you can definitely see less of a yellow tinge, and my teeth overall just look a little brighter. At this point, I have a decent amount of gel left. I didn't really use all that much every day. I think you could stretch this to last at least 3 weeks. So you're definitely getting a good value here. Like I said, this has been the most convenient at-home teeth whitening kit that I've tried. So it's $39.99 at Target. The link will be in my description, and thank you to Arc for sponsoring this video. Finally, this last product is supposed to give us the most instant of transformations, hair extensions. So I've said this in the past, I absolutely hate styling my hair. So anything that could make my hair look just better or put together and styled in a short amount of time is a must-have in my book. Now, typically with like a full head of extensions, it does take time to clip them in, blend them in with your hair. So I wanted to find the easiest extension possible to really transform my hair game, and that is the Ponytail Extension. So this is an extension that basically clips in and wraps around your existing ponytail to just make it really long and flowy and glam. Irresistible Me is a pretty popular hair extension brand that I've heard a lot of people talk about here on YouTube, and they let me choose my choice of extension to try out. So I went with the longest style of ponytail extension possible. It's 24 inches, and I chose the color Jet Black. Let's try it out. All right, I just got my Irresistible Me package in the mail. Let's open it up. Ooh, okay, so we actually have 2 pouches here. It says open this side first. This piece is packaged separately to give you a better look at the shade and length without opening the full set. So I actually really like that they do that. Obviously, once you open the actual extensions that you ordered, you can't return them, but at least you can see if you ordered the right shade before you commit. And we all know how bad I am at picking shades in anything online. So let's open that first. So I ordered Jet Black, which is the darkest shade they offer in their extensions. They also have a natural black, which is a little bit more warm toned. I'll just go ahead and like clip it into my hair and see how well it blends in. Now, I haven't actually touched up my color in a while, so there might be some brown peeking through, although if you don't look at where the clip is actually attached, I think it actually blends pretty well, and considering I ordered a ponytail style, I think this will do just fine. So if I remember correctly, these are priced at $99. Now, one issue that I often have with extensions is that they never match the thickness of my hair. As you can see, I've got a lot of hair, and I was hoping that by ordering the ponytail version, I wouldn't have to worry so much about blending the style and everything, but it also has to be like a thick enough ponytail still. Seems like a decent amount of hair, but I'm still a little nervous. So let's try this out. Here's where my ponytail hits naturally. It just barely reaches the bottom of my neck. I'm gonna take the comb. I'm assuming that's gonna go like underneath the ponytail holder. Is that right? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just tying it underneath. You can kind of see where my hair ends. I would think that there'd just be a little bit more volume to this. I'm back with the Chi Spin and Curl Automatic Hair Curler. So I did a video all about this tool in depth, so I won't go too much into it. So I'm wondering, because this hair is supposed to be heat stylable, if maybe I add some curls to it, it'll look a little thicker. Okay, so I'm taking a piece of hair, I'm gonna thread it through the tool and hold it. As you can see, it just sucks up my hair, wraps it around the barrel inside, and after a few seconds, it should be able to release a bouncy curl. Now, I haven't tried this on longer hair, so curious to see how the tool does actually. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Okay. I'm not sure that's gonna help the situation though, I'm not gonna lie. Let me do a couple more. I mean, these pieces are heat styling really nicely. It's just not really helping with the volume situation. The quality of the hair itself feels really nice. It's very, very silky, healthy looking hair. The color is beautiful, the shine is beautiful. I just think that for someone who has as much hair as I do and such thick hair, it's just not made for me. Hi, it's been about 45 minutes since that last clip and I was just not ready to give up on these extensions. So I ended up actually straightening my hair in an effort to make my hair less poofy and hopefully blend in with the ponytail better. And I do think I was able to do that. So here's where we're at now. I think it's a lot less obvious where my natural hair ends and the extensions begin. It's a little bit more of a smooth taper down to the ends of the hair. However, I still think that because my hair is so naturally thick and the beginning of the ponytail starts so thick, the fact that the ends are so thin does kind of make the extensions more clockable, and it really doesn't look as thick as the pictures online. I could see myself now wearing these out or like at a photo shoot. I still think that they would work better on thin or medium density hair. Oh, and I almost forgot. I ended up using the extra clip of hair, the one that they send you to check the color match, at the base of the ponytail. So that way it kind of conceals the edge a little bit more. So the hair extensions weren't as instant of a transformation as I hoped they would be. I did still have to style and straighten my hair to get it to blend better. That should have been expected because I have such a different hair type from the Remy hair. But with someone with straighter or thinner hair than me, which isn't hard because mine is so thick, this would definitely be a really quick and easy way to change up your hair look. Like I said, the quality of the hair is really nice, easy to style, it's not too heavy, just takes a little bit more to get them to work for me. Are there any other quick fix beauty products that you love or would want me to try in a future video? Let me know what they are in the comments below. Today's shout out goes to The Thoughts of Me. Thanks for being a member of the Slashed Squad. And join me over in this video next where I try a handful of new drugstore makeup for spring. I'll see you over there. Bye!